Guys, get ready for some shocking results that are reshaping the smartphone industry. As you know, new technology can cost companies their lead. We have seen this happen to Nokia and BlackBerry. Apple continues to avoid the foldable form factor, and this seems to be helping companies like Motorola. Yesterday, Motorola unveiled the Razr Plus and Razr 2023, bringing the total number of clamshell phones in its portfolio to 4. Speaking to CNET, company head of North America product operations revealed that 20% of new Razr buyers previously had an iPhone. The company said that no other family of product has received this much attention from iPhone users. In 2022, 1.2 billion smartphones were shipped, which is the lowest total shipment count since 2013. Out of these, 1.1 billion were slab phones. Apple was the second biggest player with the total sales of 226 million, but it declined by 4% compared to 2021. Foldable phones grew a stunning 75% in 2022. Sales climbed to 14 million units and are projected to reach 21 million units this year after an increase of 50%. Over the course of the next 4 years, bendable phone shipments are expected to grow at a faster rate than conventional phones. So even though more people will continue to buy slab phones, there is clear demand for foldable phones, and Apple seems to be missing out by not producing one. Since Samsung dominated the foldable market in 2022 with a share of 80%, it's safe to assume that a very small number of iPhone users ditched Apple for Motorola. But even if the numbers were not big enough to put a dent in Apple shipments this year, they will start to matter as time passes. Guys, Apple apparently does have a foldable product in the pipeline, but it is not expected to be released until 2025, and it might not even be a foldable iPhone. But Apple is doing something amazing in iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 that you can check out in left side videos. And at the last, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.